Ladies and gentlemen, we now have some delight for all of us. We had invited the CEO and MD of Tata Consultancy Services to join us today. Unfortunately, he is traveling to London, but he did send his greetings and a message to all of us. Can I request our team to play the video of Sri N. Chandrasekhar, MD and CEO, Tata Consultancy Services.
Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to all of you. It's a great privilege to share a few thoughts on transforming healthcare with IT. The technology advancement that we are seeing today has never been seen before. The advent of digital technologies are fundamentally changing all our walks of life. Digital technologies are getting embedded in everyone's life and in every industry. While these technologies are evolving very rapidly, fundamentally, it's all about data. And how do you get data on a real-time basis and develop insights and make it available anywhere, real-time. And this possibility, coupled with the ability to process huge amount of data, the technology today offers a very unique opportunity. While every industry is getting disrupted in a positive way, the opportunities for healthcare industry is probably very, very rich compared to any other industry. If you look at healthcare industry around the world, and also particularly in India, there have been a couple of issues. One is about access, the other one is about affordability. The technology of today will address both of these issues in an impeccable way. Digital technologies can enable the delivery of healthcare services to everyone in every part of the world and do that in the most affordable way. It is a huge opportunity that is available not only to the healthcare industry and the technology providers, but also it is an opportunity for every citizen in India. And it's a big opportunity for India as a nation. In addition, the technology today and what we are going to see tomorrow will make people really more empowered. The wearable devices that we see today and the advancements that are happening will allow people to get access to their healthcare data real time so that they can monitor and plan their life in a much better way. Not only that, this data is going to be available in the cloud and real-time analytics is going to be possible, and that's going to help all parties in the ecosystem to be able to offer the best in order to proactively address issues, diseases, and treat them in a very efficient manner. I'm pretty sure all of you are going to have a very, very insightful discussion about all these topics and more, and I wish you all a great conference. Thank you so much.